pretty, are we? Beautiful and very cold. Stunning and cold. It's the new name of our show. Welcome back to Brazen Brits. I am Natalie.
I am Stephanie.
And can you believe that Laurence has let us loose again to make another video? If you watched last week's video, it was awful. So I have no idea why he's allowing us to do this again. But unfortunately, as you know, he has to work. It is a Thursday and Stephanie is leaving us.
My last day. Yeah, I don't want to go.
But there was something on the way that was very special. And so we're going to take you along.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
So we are at the Eternal Flame Trail. So we're going to this Eternal Flame waterfall, not a song, just, it is a song as well. I mean, we've been singing that quite a fair bit, but there is apparently some light under a waterfall and it's very famous. So it's not a long walk because she has to go to the airport after this. So I'm going to have to drag this video out a lot. Hopefully Laurence put in the really long intro.
Really makes me wonder.
I can video us walking the entire time. What else can we do? We'll try and make it fun.
Oh, we'll make it fun.
Stephanie keeps tripping over everything. It's very
it's got lots of things.
Rutted.
Lots of roots. So
be aware of that.
Your feet up.
No wheelchairs. Bring a jacket.
Oh, I'm so cold. Really cold.
So it's not just a nice easy path. You actually have to like walk up the waterfall to get to this flame. There's Stephanie about to hurt herself. At no point did I read you would be having to walk through water. Oh God! To get to this flame. Okay.
You almost died.
There goes my knee. Right, I'm going up.
Up there?
I don't know. This is stupid.
So brazen.
There is no trail. This is ridiculous. It said trail. Trail to the flame.
Yeah, designated trail.
Designated trail.
Designated.
This doesn't. This feels very dangerous, actually. No facts from Stephanie Day. No. We do have some fun facts about where we are and why we're here and what we're going to see. Stephanie.
Hang on. You can't just say it like that. I have to.
Right, it should be off the top of your head.
Oh, yeah.
Rubbish at this.
Right, the Eternal Flame Falls is a small waterfall located in the Shale Creek Preserve, a section I'm holding on to because I'm going to fall and kill myself, of Chestnut Ridge Park in western New York. A small grotto, and at the water's base it emits a natural gas, not like Laurence's gas, which can be lit to produce a small flame. The flame is visible nearly all year round, but sometimes it goes out so they have to relight it. So let's go and see if we can find the eternal flame.
The guy in front of us is smoking, so hopefully he'll have a lighter if it's out.
Oh, that's a good idea. I think it's a vape.
Not a designated park.
Not a designated park.
Oh. I feel like a beaver. Oh, maybe this is a beaver dam.
It looks like one.
Oh, I never even thought about that.
Beaver dam.
Beaver dam. Oh my God, there it is! It exists! It's flaming! It's flaming! Oh my God! We are in luck, guys. It is flaming. It is flaming, the most flaming I ever flamed.
Do not climb the revealing waterfall. We're in the waterfall. Yeah, this is the part. Okay, so apparently this Eternal Flame Falls were featured in a book, Secret Places by Bruce Kirshner, and in a book called What's Weird on Earth. Bit weird, isn't it?
It smells. I didn't expect it to smell this.
Eggy farts.
Yeah, sulfuric? It's natural gas, right?
Yeah, sulfate.
I have no idea.
Eggy farts.
No fun facts on that. But this is really cool. This is cool. Really Laurence is going to be gutted. We might have to come back here Saturday.
Oh, I think we. Yeah.
Quite wet. again.
Okay, hang on. Have I got to hold this as well as do the thing then?
Yeah.
Oh. How do I get out? Oh, I was not meant to get wet before the airport, Natalie.
That is your own fault. No one asked you to go under the flipping waterfall.
Look.
Have you seen that people decided to dump all their crap here as well? That's nice. Nice natural wonder of the world. Let's dump some Laffy Taffies and some... It's just disappointing. It's disappointing world. Don't throw your trash anywhere, let alone a natural wonder of the world. I don't know if it is a natural... Is it a natural wonder of the world? No. The world's most naturalist wonder.
It's not one of the 7 wonders, I know that.
Such a good day to do this. What are you doing?
I can stand on this log to recite my natural facts. Nope, I'm not. Hang on. Okay. I feel like I need to add more to this. It's not going to work.
No, let's just walk and talk. Okay, so you're probably wondering, but why is there a flame there? Why is it flaming? It's the flamest I've ever flamed.
Well, Natalie, geologists from India University Bloomingdale and Italy's National Institute of Geoscience, Physics and stuff studied the flame in 2013 in an effort to better understand how natural gases were emitted from this naturally occurring hydrocarbon seep. Contributes to greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. They found that macro seep at the eternal flames had a higher concentration of ethane and propane, about 35%. Still
Cool.
makes no sense to me.
No, it doesn't to me either. If someone could simplify this for us, that'd be great.
I'm gonna die. Oh, you want to walk that way? Yeah.
Living like Forrest Gump. It's just my arse, isn't it? I've meant with this.
Oh,
But you get Natalie fun fact now. So apparently it was discovered by the Native Americans and it was first lit hundreds of years ago by them. And then you said it's been lit. No, if it was lit 100 years ago, how has it been lit for 2,500 years, or whatever you just said?
no, that's a Turkish as burning rock.
We need to do more research. We'll
Yeah,
come
that's
back.
a whole different thing.
Thought it only appropriate as we're discovering natural gases today to wear my gas stop t-shirt. It's relative, right? Go gas stop. Okay, we finally made it back the 874 steps. It's hard.
Make that up.
And she did make that up and scared a lot of people that were coming on the way down, which made it more fun.
Absolutely.
But we made it. We were told to see Sledding Hill. Now we can't find any evidence of that, so if you're out here, apparently look for Sledding Hill.
I've meant to be views from of Niagara Falls, apparently.
Wow, okay, so yeah, look for that. We couldn't find it today, and as I said, unfortunately Steph does need to get to the airport, so we're going to go and have a quick lunch, and Stephanie's going to head home to England. But I hope you enjoyed our little short
Girls'
video.
tour.
Girls, the Brazen Sisters tour of Eternal Falls
Yeah.
in New York.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Not enough fun facts,
No.
I felt, for us.
We're not very
But,
good
you
at
know,
this.
We'll get better, I promise. Hey, view, like, subscribe, do all those things.
Oh, you went straight into it. I wasn't expecting. Hold on.
Okay. I can't even remember the words to it. It was like... And eternal flame. Well, what's the bit before that? Oh.
Something burning and eternal.
Something was burning. Were they talking about this place?
Methane burning an eternal flame. Close your eyes. Lay your hand down. Alright, we're going to properly end it now, not just Steph just rambling. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. You can hit the notification bell so that you actually see when our videos come out.
And if you want to support me coming out more and being in more videos, then support these tits and hit the Braziers button. I'll become a Brazier by hitting the join button.
I was going to say, we don't have a Braziers button. That would be great.
Huh?
Yeah, but it's a join button.
Join button.
Hit the join button.
Oh, and the thanks button, because apparently Natalie likes it.
I do.
I haven't found out why yet.
See you next week.
Bye.